Take a ride in the 2017 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start, braking assist, air suspension. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.